Y'all, so it's kind of dark right now, so you can't barely see us. But
it's Tajay. We about to
Tajay, introduce yourself.
I'm Karima.
And Karima, and we're at
Popeyes,
and you won't believe what we're trying today. Where are we trying, y'all?
Popeye's chicken sandwich. Can you unplug it, please?
And we're in Uber. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy. I keep saying YouTube, but thank you. Okay, so Karima, tell them what you got.
Okay. Hey y'all, my name Reed.
No, wait. You gotta speak up.
Okay, can you come in front of me? Okay, y'all, my name.
No, don't just show it. Just show.
Kareem, can you chill? Can I do what I'm doing? It ain't no way in hell. Get out of fucking middle school before 8th grade.
So, we came to Popeyes because we was trying to try this spicy chicken sandwich that everybody been talking about. So, we just. So we came here to try out to see if it's worth the hype. But before we were interrupted, what we were saying was we're gonna try this hype out and we're gonna see what it's all about. Karima already started eating.
I'm kind of disgusted because I asked you to turn the camera on me so I could take a bite of my burger, and I had 2 of them. I could have showed them what the fuck was going on in the store because I would have screamed.
I hope you know Aunt Sharon going to see this and she's going to know that you're being a.
It's 4 minutes away, y'all. We about to take an Uber.
And we're going to continue this mukbang.
I'm calling corporate.
She's calling corporate, but we're going to get. Oh, hold on, wait. Let me get the bitch name. Hold on. Okay, so we're back in the dorms now, and we have our beautiful. Wait, just show it off a little bit. Chicken sandwiches.
Savory and juicy.
Now, Maddie was going to join us, but unfortunately she doesn't like mayonnaise, so she...
I'm not going to hold y'all. My stomach does hurt a little bit, so we're going to see how this goes. But
okay, so let's see if it's for the hype, though. Let's see if it's for the hype. You ready?
Wait. You just eating the plain? Y'all just eating the plain?
Yeah. No, try it plain first.
It smells great.
Yeah.
Smells great.
Wait. Try, no, you did not put barbecue sauce on it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, try it plain first and see how it tastes.
Ready? 1,
2, 3.
It's hot. It's good. It's good.
Hold on, I like to do 2 bites.
Yeah, let me take another bite. I only taste the pickles. I'm adding barbecue sauce this time.
Okay, let's start off with Karima because she seems like she's more in depth with the.
You guys, I'm gonna be honest with y'all because y'all know I like to give it to y'all real raw. So I just feel like I'm getting Chick-fil-A vibes. I'm getting heavy Chick-fil-A vibes.
She said Chick-fil-A.
But you know, the sauce is very precise. It's very good. The pickles are a little strong, but I really do like it. The bun, perfect. I love it. So I'm gonna rate this 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Do I think it's better than Chick-fil-A? I don't think so.
You next.
Okay. I actually really like it, and then like the sauce adds like a little kick to it. It's pretty good. Like I can eat it plain actually. That's how good it is. So to rate it, I rate it like an 8.5 out of 10.
Now to piggyback off of what both Tuto and Karima said, I wouldn't really compare it to Chick-fil-A only because I feel like Chick-fil-A is way better. I'm sorry, but I would say the difference in the meat is that the Popeyes meat is more thicker than Chick-fil-A. Like when you bite into it, like you're biting into really like thick meat and you get the taste. Am I right?
You're right. I agree with that.
So as you can see, look at Karima's face. Like just look at it.
No, y'all, I'm only doing this face because like my stomach does hurt. I'm trying to digest it all. But the pickles, I don't think I really like the pickles.
You're always in here.
Girl,
I'm
I love
a
it
pickle
here.
eater.
I love it.
These pickles are just not giving. Like they're like too sour.
Wait, sorry guys, let's get a closer look at what's actually going on within the thickness of the meat. Now, Tutu, can you dip it inside the barbecue sauce? She likes to add a little flavor to hers, cause.
No, I'm gonna go with the middle part right here.
Yeah.
So the part, and then.
And just
Dip it in
like,
there.
does it? Just tell me, does it add a better taste to the?
Yeah, it's like it adds like a little more spice.
Even with the
just a little.
pickles.
Oh, I don't eat pickles, so mine is like strictly plain with just the sauce.
Yeah, and just to add on, I don't know what type of sauce they have on here. I don't know if this can't be mayonnaise because it's really spicy.
Oh, I'm thinking it.
Eh,
Do y'all have plain? Y'all have plain?
no, mine's spicy.
Mine's spicy.
Okay.
I have some shrimp too. Also.
I don't know if I.
Yeah, we got some
I'm not really
fries. We
sure
got the
about it.
combo.
I really don't know how I feel about
Let's just say it's not for the hype. Like I would
So like the
not.
boat.
People make it seem like it's like really beyond like.
It's not over
luxurious
Chick-fil-A. That's all I know.
Yeah, it's really not over Chick-fil-A.
like it's just
Popeyes, no offense, please, But
Stay in your lane.
yeah. So I want y'all to comment below. What would y'all prefer, Chick-fil-A or Popeyes? I could have got for 4 for $4 if I, for $7. How much was this again?
Shit, I paid $11 for this, and then I shouldn't even did it.
Good to me.
I would be calling corporate Popeye on Me and Him Pipe.
Now,
Well,
what I will say is, the chicken, the sandwich without the pickles, is like an extra boost because I feel like the pickles kind of dominate it in a sweet way mixed with the spicy chicken, and it just doesn't really incorporate well. But I would say without the pickles, it really like.
That's the Popeyes.
Oh my god. Yo, and nobody was gonna pat my back.
Okay.
But I don't know. Me personally, I like to take the bun off. I like to take the bottom bun off. And I
Look
just
how
like
meaty it is, y'all.
Yeah, look how meaty this thing is. And I just like the.
It's nice and crunchy too. Sure.
Oh, yeah, nice and front. Really? So, that's that.
Mine's good, y'all. I don't know what they're talking about.
So, overall, what was y'all stick to? Chick-fil-A
Chick-fil-A.
or Popeyes?
Chick-fil-A. Without doubt.
KFC, we depend on you, so please come through and save us with that. Because KFC, I prefer KFC over Popeyes. I'm sorry, but I don't. KFC. KFC definitely. Their food chicken is way better.
I don't know what he's talking about. He lost me. I hate KFC.
Do you like KFC?
I just like KFC fries.
The potato wedges?
No, the biscuits is really
The
good.
biscuits is where it's at.
Nah.
The mac and cheese is where it's at, and the potato chips.
I'm eating my favorite food, shrimp, guys. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So next week we have another video coming because we're getting in the Christmas spirit soon. So
What's the baked cookies?
we either want to do a cooking segment where I don't know who's cooking next. Who's cooking next? Because maybe Karima's cooking next. So that will be coming next week.
I asked this nigga when
But
he
for
took
now,
his out. He never responded back.
Stay
Oh, he
tuned.
not taking it out.
Love
I'll send it to
down.
you, man.
You said
And
it's plain?
Play it.
No, I've been absent. I've been coming there and coming back, but I'm a college now. I'm a full-time student, so everything would be very much
He probably cute as
fluent
shit.
and well organized now.
The baby not kind of ugly. So.
He probably got big nose.
Semi-big. So guys, we're concluding the video. So, do you have any last words for
Any last words? I feel as though
regarding the mukbang, or
I'm just like really disappointed. Maybe it's just cause my stomach does hurt a little bit, and maybe I just need some water. Other than that, Popeyes, I might sue you for real.
But talk about the segment for next week when we're cooking.
We gonna come back to you on that because
You're not cooking?
well, no, we don't know what I'm talking.
We know. I know. Go ahead, Tita.
Just stick with Popeyes, and I had something else to say.
Stick with
The food was good. Oh no, stick with Chick-fil-A. I'm sorry. The food was good, but like I was really hungry before. Food tastes different when you're really hungry. So, but stick with Chick-fil-A.
I'm about to ask Richie if he wants it.
The other hand.
He gonna be like, no, I'm